Three words to describe the breathing cold training. Exciting, confronting, inspiring. My name is Valery, and I joined because I have been doing breathwork for a while and I wanted to know and understand the body and the science behind it, what's happening. My experience so far has been exceeded my expectations. Yeah, I really came in here just expecting to experience what happens to the body and understand it more on a science level, but it became a lot more than that in a growing experience. Yeah, the main problem I was aiming to address was confronting my fears and just being able to embrace the emotions that come with the fear and not avoid it, which I usually do. Biggest breakthrough? Personally, there were a lot of breakthroughs. The biggest one for me is that I'm just responsible for myself and my own happiness, which is a really big one for me, and that I'm not responsible for everybody else. What did I like the most about the training? Definitely the connection that I built with everybody. Authentic relating was really eye-opening, and I hope to integrate that into my breath work. My message for anyone that wants to join is that they should do it 100%, that it's amazing and you won't regret it at all.